Hello and welcome to the last installment of just another Sports Card Collector's F1 Paddock Pass box of cards. This is box 4 of 4 that arrived recently. As you can see here, there is 5 cards per pack and 6 packs per box. So without further ado, let's annoy everyone by getting the keys out and making a mess of this. Taking the shrink wrap off this box. Right, so here we have inside the box. Should be 6 packs of cards. It's the box, put it away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 packs. So without further ado, pick a random pack and off we go. And we start off with a Max Verstappen card. There it is. Next we have a Esteban Ocon card. Then we have In a Blur. But I'm not going to reveal who In a Blur is, so quickly. And In a Blur is Alex Albon. There you go. Nice use of the way that it hits the light there. Then we have a Andrea Stella with the red background. Nice looking card. And then the last, is it a chrome? Nope. It is Ayo Komatsu, the team principal for the Haas F1 team. So that was pack number 1. We'll move on to pack number 2. Pack number 2. And we start off with a Carlos Sainz card. Then we have a Nico Rosberg card. Again, these two look like, this one and the previous one looks like it was taken during media day for the opening titles of the F1 programs. After Nico we have Fernando Alonso there. Then we have a red Charles Leclerc card. Looks like he's running down the pit line with a cool vest on. And then last card is a chrome Logan Sargent, the man who got replaced by Franco Colapinto. Right, so that's pack number 2 done. Moving on to pack number 3. Take this one. Pack number 3. Then we start off with a Jorge Russell card. Moving on to a Valtteri Bottas in-car card. Then we have a Fernando Alonso card. This is a power packed card. There he is there. Then we have Antonio Giovinazzi, the Italian Jesus as he's known on social media and other platform. He is the driver for Ferrari in the World Endurance Championship, and he's also a reserve backup driver with the red background. And then the last card is Danny Rick. It's Daniel Ricciardo there. So that was pack number 3 done. Again, a bit light in the chromes. Again, no number cards, no autographs. Fingers crossed we may come across some, but you know, you need to portray a real version of how these things happen, not just ones that people randomly open and they seem to just get in every pack a numbered card. So here we go, pack number 4. Right, pack number 4, and we start with another Kevin Magnussen. So there's Kevin Magnussen of Haas. Moving on to a Lewis Hamilton card there. Next card is, a nice black and white sepia style Esteban Ocon. I think I've got the coloured version of that card, so it's nice just to have this version of the card. That will go well in the collection. Then we have a red background Max Verstappen card, and the last card is a Mick Schumacher chrome. I think we got a normal Mick Schumacher. Let me check. Maybe it was in the last unboxing video, apologies, but we have a chromed Mick Schumacher there. Moving on to pack number 5, pack 5. Start off with a Yuki Tsunoda card. Then moving on to a Lance Stroll card. There he is in his car, number 18. Then we have Angle of Attack. So this one is a Logan Sargent Angle of Attack card. It does pop out a bit. It does look very 3D the way that they've done that. That's quite nice. Then it looks like a red background. Yep, it is the Sergio Perez. And then the last card in this pack is Esteban Ocon. There he is. Looks like he's in Miami. There. So that was pack number 5. Moving on to the last pack. Will this be lucky? Who knows? If you have enjoyed this, please like, share, subscribe. Check out my eBay shop. The description or the link will be in the description. And let's get on with pack number 6. Can we get an autograph or a numbered card? We start off with a George Russell card. It's looking very serious there. Moving on to a Valtteri Bottas card. Then we have a Esteban Ocon card. Then moving on to a red background Guan Yu Zhou. Again, they seem, apart from the chrome, these seems to be my favourite style of card. Just with the red background. And I think we're on to the last card, which is nice one to finish off the pack, which is a chromed Felipe Djokovic. Not numbered, but still, it's a nice one to have in the collection. Double check, it's not numbered anywhere. Nope. So there you go. That's all 4 boxes of the Topps F1 Paddock Pass. Didn't get any of the Holy Grails, but we did get a lot of funky cards that will go into my collection, and a few that are duplicates that will go on sale in my shop. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I'll do a follow-up video going through each set of the Topps cards and which ones are my favourite, etc. But again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Check out the store down below, and I'll catch you on the next unboxing video. I'll see you later. Goodbye.